to third block. Y'all, we in third block. We just chilling here because we don't have classes until March. So we just chill. And I usually do my other assignment for like this block, or I just chill. Yeah. It's like the end of the day at school, but I didn't get me like recording because me and my friend was still eating outside, and then went to the college center, and then we was still like, I was eating, and then we had like a capcut game, and like we came in second, but like the other team went in first, and yeah.